Welcome to Bravura. Our Laser Safety Officer course for surgery is perfect for anybody that is a laser safety officer in your facility, anybody who's using a laser in your facility, so your surgeons, and for the scrub nurses and anybody who's in close contact with a laser day to day in the surgical context. The module on light science covers off all of the technical aspects that you need to know about laser and IPL. One of the modules in this course is about cosmetic medicine systems, so about laser and IPL. What it will help you do is understand all of the technical concepts around light and how lasers work. So it covers chromophores, it covers wavelengths, it covers the difference between laser and IPL, so that no matter what technology you're using, you're going to absolutely understand the fundamentals of it and understand what it is that makes it tick. This module will help you understand what systems you're using in a surgical setting. So it will enable you to understand no matter what laser you're working with, so if you move from hospital to hospital or from operating theatre to operating theatre, you're going to be able to understand what that laser is that you're working with. It will help you to understand things like wavelengths, chromophores, and why we use specific lasers for specific things. Another one of the units is about regulation, and we know with regulation and standards there's multiple levels. So we'll describe to you what the Australian and New Zealand standards expect of you, but we'll also enable you to put in place some very specific policies, procedures and guidelines so that you're absolutely across your responsibilities when it comes to your administration of your laser and your IPL. Australia and New Zealand have extremely high standards when it comes to laser. In fact, as I speak, we've got the most current set of standards in the world. They were fresh off the press in 2018. So what I'd like to share with you is the fact that Bravura education is on the cutting edge worldwide. So no matter where you're working, we've got you covered. The most important module that we cover, of course, is safety. We don't ever want anything to go wrong when we're using lasers, because when it goes wrong, it's catastrophic. So what we want you to be able to do is be very safe and prevent things from going wrong rather than having to deal with them when they do. So when it comes to safety, we're going to drill right down into laser safety glasses, how to set up a room, how to organise your space, what you need to do with regard to your education and training for your staff. We will drill into everything that you need to meet the standards to be able to be a safe and effective practitioner, but also to have a safe workplace. It's all about risk management. We want to prevent it before it ever happens, and we're going to help you do that. One of the unique things about this course is that we also add on to the end some very specific information on the different types of applications of lasers in surgery, so you have a real world application with regard to what you can do.